Washington state rent control conversation is heating up, and today I'm breaking down exactly where HB 1217 stands, what's changed, and what's next. Let's start with where HB 1217 got its start. It's known as the statewide rent stabilization bill and has been moving steadily through the legislative process this year. It passed the House earlier in the session and advanced out of the Senate Ways and Means Committee just yesterday. So where does it stand now? Well, the bill is now heading to the Senate floor for a full vote. The exact date and time of the vote hasn't been scheduled yet, but this next step will determine whether the bill becomes a law. So what's the current version look like? Limits rent increases to 7% annually during a tenancy. Landlords can still raise rent freely after a tenant moves out. Month-to-month leases cannot be charged more than 5% higher than fixed-term leases. 90 days written notice will be required for any rent increases. Landlords must use a new rent and fee increase notice form. Tenants gain new legal protections including right to demand correction of unauthorized rent increases, ability to take landlords to court with mandatory damages and attorney fees awarded if violations are proven. Exemptions in the bill have been expanded to include new construction within the last 12 years, and owner-occupied duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes. A few other changes to note is the bill's sunset term was shortened to 15 years. Some restrictions, like caps on security deposits and late fees, were removed. So, where does this leave us? Where do we go next? The full Senate floor vote will determine final approval. If passed, HB 1217 would significantly change how rent increases are handled statewide for at least the next decade and a half. We'll continue to monitor the developments closely and keep you updated as the bill moves forward. Staying informed is critical in times of major change. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Always consult an attorney regarding your specific legal rights and obligations. For more real estate law updates, rental regulations, and professional property management tips, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.